So now that you've learned the substitution method, the elimination method using multiplication, let's try to decide what is the best method for each problem. So what I'm going to suggest is that you really scan and look at each equation very carefully. For example, in this equation, these two equations, substitution would not work. The x or the y is not isolated, so we can think of another solution. What about elimination through addition? We notice that the 8y, negative 8y, and a positive 8y can be eliminated. So we can eliminate by adding the two equations. What about the next problem? We do see that y is being isolated here with the 3x, so we can very easily substitute it here. So in this problem, we can substitute. It takes some practice to just look at the problems and scan through it before deciding which method you're going to use. Of course, you can use any method, but some methods just take a lot longer, and we're trying to determine what's the best method for each problem. Now let's look at this one. This one, you can substitute by isolating x by itself. So you can add y to both sides, where x is going to equal y plus 2, and then go ahead and substitute that for this. So you can substitute. Okay. Or you can eliminate, meaning you can multiply the top by a 3 so that you have a negative 3y and a positive 3y. So, or you can multiply the top by 3. So you get 3x minus 3y equals 2. And then you can rewrite this equation here, 5x plus 3y equals 18. And you will have eliminated the y's. So make sure to really scan each problem and decide what's the best method for each problem rather than just choosing your favorite method, because it'll definitely save you time and reduce carelessness. Okay, that's the end of solving systems of equation for Algebra 1. For Algebra 2 problems, I will create other videos for that, and the problems will probably be a lot more difficult and longer.